Hello everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen, and as mentioned in the last class, we are going to learn about linking keywords in today's class. Okay, so first let's try to understand what is a linking keyword. So in SQL there are many different types of linking keywords and symbols we can say, and they are called operators also, that we are going to use with where clause. Okay. So let's see what are the different types of linking keywords we have. So we have and, or, in, not in, like, not like, between, and, then we have exists, not exist, then we have is null, then we have is not null, then we have some comparison operators, and there's so many. You can search for this also online. Okay, so I'm just going to write down etc. And we will be talking about the important ones and others also one by one. So in this class, we are going to talk about and or. Okay. So let's start. We are directly going to start with MySQL workbench because we are going to see it with some examples. Then we will be able to understand it better. So and is basically used to combine more than one statement, like combine two statements or three statements logically using the condition block. Like when we write down where clause, in that only we can mention this and we can join some, we can say statements. Okay. And so let's start. We are going to learn in the workbench only. So, yeah. So again, let me first do one thing. Let me mention that we will be using employees data set. And in this, we are going to work on employees table. Okay. So what we are going to do, let's see how this employee table looks like. So I will write select star from employees and execute this query. Okay, this is how it is looking like. Now see, we are going to first use and operator. Okay. So what we will do, we will try to find like, okay, let's try to find, okay, let's see, I'm going to write down this, the same statement that we used in the last class. Select star from employees where first name is equal to Georgie. Okay, this is what we did in the last class. Let me close this so that you can see this properly. And let me execute this now. So these are the names of the employees with first name as Georgie. Now, see, some of them are male and some of them are female. So what I want to check, I want to get those employees whose first name is Georgie and their gender is male. Okay. So now we are connecting two, like we can say columns. Okay, we are getting those details, which is kind of dependent. So in this case, we are going to use and. So I will be writing this here only. Let me first close this. And let's see, right now we have 253 rows we get from this. So I'm going to write down and we have this gender field gender is equal to M. Okay. Okay. So now let me execute this. And oh, I'm sorry, I executed the wrong one. Let me execute this one. Yeah. So now see, now we get first we got 253 rows. Now we get 147 rows with all male employees with the name George. Okay. So this is how we can use AND operator. Now, so let's try to use OR operator. Okay. So let's try to use OR operator. I will be giving this comment first. OR operator. Okay. So now what we can do, so using OR operator, let's see. Okay, let's first see all the employees again. Okay. So I will check what are the employees who are those employees. The first name is Georgie, and again first name is Sanya. Okay, I can see these two names. So I will get records of only those employees where the first name is either Georgie or Sanya. Okay, so let's try to write it down. So I will copy this first and I will paste this here and I will make the change, or we have to get a first name only, and this will be Sanya. Okay, so let's try to execute this. Okay, so we get 510 rows, and the first name is only Sanya and George. So we use OR operator when we have to do what? Like when we have to apply some kind of condition on the same column. Okay, see, I have applied it in the first name only. So first name either be Georgie or Sanya. But we use AND operator when we have to set the condition on different columns, like here. So the first name is Georgie and gender is male. Okay, so AND is used when we have to set the condition on different columns, or is used when we have to set the condition on same column. It's a very important point to remember. Now let's try to use both together and let's see which operator will get the preference. Okay, to get executed first. So what I will do, I will copy this one. I want to check all the employees. I will write down comment first and slash all. Okay. I will write down select all the employees whose first name is Georgie and gender is male or female. Okay, because when we use OR operator, that means we have to use it on same field, right? So I will be writing gender is equal to F. So what do you think? Can we get the right output? Let's see. Let me execute this. Okay, we get so many rows. That is around 120,000 or 120,198. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's see. So here what we get, we have mentioned that first name will only be Georgie, but as you can see, first name is not only Georgie, but other employees are also here. So why it is happening? So let me tell you. So when we use and OR operator, the preference is given to the AND operator. Okay, and we use AND operator when we have to set the condition on two different columns. So what is happening? It is first running this much. Okay, like it is getting all those employees whose first name is Georgie and their gender is male, and getting all those records, and then it is running this part like all those employees whose gender is female, and here name is not a limit. So as you can see, every employee that is that is not Georgie, they are all female. Okay, so but this is not what we want. we want all those employees whose first name is Georgie and they can either be male or female, right? So what we can do here, we can use parentheses and we can apply like this. And now let's see how many records we are going to get. See, only 253 records and with only employee name Georgie, right? So this is how we can use and or operator and you can get the required result. So yeah, this is done. And if you get any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And in the next class, we'll learn about other, we can say linking operator. And yeah, that's all. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.